After a rainy morning, finally the rain stopped and I can take you a little bit around. You see, this is May 2nd, Medjugorje 2022. As I said, it was raining all day, the morning, and finally it stopped, so I can take you a little bit around and show you the atmosphere, what is going on. There's a talk now in the John Paul II Hall, the yellow hall. I'm going to take you there, but before I want to give you some little impressions how things are going around here. See, rainy. There are not so many people out because still raining. It's raindrops. And let's have a little look around. Let's say hello to Our Lady. It's around 3:30, so you see, confessional, nothing going on. Evening program starts at 5. So nothing special going on here. Just happy that the rain stopped. Yesterday evening we still had the mess outside, but now today again it will be inside the church tonight, I guess, with that weather. And there we go to the talk of the Bishop Aldo Cavalli from Italy, who is going to give a talk in the John Paul II Hall at 3:30. And I leave you with this beautiful view on the back of St. James Church here in Medjugorje.